So actually, when getting the DJI, I made an entire vlog of the whole day. I didn't want to put it in here because I want to show you guys just the DJI and getting it and make this video relatively short. So if you guys want to watch the vlog, I will link it in this video once it is posted, or hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, then you guys will be notified when it's posted. So I have to buy it. It's calling my name.
Let's roll with that.
Alright, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm gonna be broke after I buy this. Let's go. I don't know why I'm doing this. It was an investment. We're vlogging on the GoPro, buying the Fusion. No. The fucking Osmo Action. We're buying an Osmo. What? Okay. Good. Am I supposed to look at it? It has the serial number and everything. I don't have to open it right now, do I? Is that good? So. Okay. Can I buy it?
Yes. Still pulling out money.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
I don't know how good of an idea this was.
Yeah, how you feel?
Honestly, I don't know. It's like one of those things you just kind of do and don't think about it. But you know it's really stupid. You just don't pay attention. The only thing I was sketched out about was buying a booth club. Because we're in Bangkok. We got a lot of booth shit in here. So I'm trying to buy a booth Osmo Action. Swear to God. I'll come back with the 240p camera. Alright. This is officializing that it's no bootness. Damn, that is a shitty signature. I'm sorry. There we go. Amen. There we go. That's how you make magic happen. You just sign away all your money and then they'll have a plane ticket home. Jen's like probably just like stressing right now, like, why the fuck did you just... I want that lens cap right there because I think I need that. But yeah, we got the Osmo Action. I'm hyped for this one. Did I need it? Probably not. I didn't need it, but I want it. So I actually realized that you had to download the app to activate it and start recording because you had to update it in order to use the Rocksteady stabilization. So being that the app is over 150 megabytes, I couldn't download it without Wi-Fi, but then I found this video where it showed you how to download something without Wi-Fi that's over 150 megabytes. So shout out to that video. All you have to do is set your date back, which is weird, doesn't correlate. But anyways, we just made it to Krabi, and now we are gonna go get some scooters. Chad just went down with the guy that's gonna be dropping our scooters off, and yeah, we're gonna test this Osmos out. We have 90s here in Krabi, so I'm planning to do a lot with this Osmo. I really want to test it out, do some underwater shots, test out the 4K, test out the 1080, test out 2.7K, test out the Rocksteady, and compare it with the GoPro as well because I have been shooting all my vlogs on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is amazing and a great vlogging camera, especially for travel vloggers that want to travel around and create content. It's just a must-have in your bag. So I really want to put it to the test with the two cameras and see which one is better and which one will be the one that I will be using in the future. There's a lot of features and stuff that are on the Osmos, so yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of videos on it. Let's get it.